Were my AirPod Maxes that I got from Canal Street in New York City, Chinatown, were they real? No. But I mean, look, if you read this comment and watch that video and read all the comments, any New Yorker could have told you they weren't real. But I am not from New York, okay? I'm not from New York. I lived in Brooklyn for a little bit. I had a job out there, but I'm not a New Yorker. But look, did I overpay for them? Probably. Yes, I did. New Yorkers are telling me in those comments as well. They got you, fam. You overpaid. You paid $100 for both of them. You could have got both of them for $40 or whatever. But okay, you know what? Hey, they were still cheaper than real AirPod Maxes and AirPod Pros. And I'm not even tripping on it. As far as I'm concerned, it was like, a little $100 is whatever. Am I justifying that today? 100%. But anyway, look. Okay, so did they break? They did break. But I mean, they didn't break. They still work. They're just broken. Here, let me show you. So look, as you can see, I just moved, so don't mind the mess that is. I'm on an air mattress in my living room because, I haven't got a bed yet. But anyway, and these are some real AirPod 3s? The 3s. These are real. I got these from Apple. But anyway, so look, this cord came off because this broke right here. See that? That broke. And then also, that broke too. But I'm telling you, they still do work. And these broke because I was moving. And I'm going to tell you what. If I had spent, I don't even know how much AirPod Maxes cost. Let me check real quick. Yo, them joints like $600, $500. Oh, yeah, I would never pay no damn $500 for these joints, man. That's crazy. But if I had, I would have taken way better care of them while moving. I mean, I just put them in a box and then, is whatever. Well, that's what happened. I mean, they were cheap and they were, lookalikes or whatever. But hey, it's 2026. That video is from December of 2024. These joints just broke today and they still work. If I put some glue and some tape on them right now, they still work. The microphone, as you guys pointed out in that video, is trash. But listening to them, sonically, that the word? I don't know what the word is, but hearing him, they was cool. And I wasn't tripping on them. They was cool. And they connected to your phone. You could do phone calls and all that stuff with it. It was cool. I mean, it would have been nice to have gotten them for $20 instead of $50, but I really had no complaints with them. So, yeah, that's my review after, what's that? Almost a year and a half of having these. That they, I mean, it is what it is. You get what you pay for, and you also treat things as well as you pay for them. So, these joints over here, these AirPod Pro 3s, man, I ain't never lost them or nothing, but I'll pay for them. I already know what's going on with them. So anyway, New Yorkers was right. You need to listen to New Yorkers, especially about New York, because they know what's up. But it wasn't a bad deal. It just wasn't real. And if you go to Canal Street thinking that the stuff is real, you're already in the wrong headspace. So shout out to New York, man.